Did I see or did I dream when the sun last was above? And I dreamed all night that hazy dream of you and our broken love. Did I see you in my dream? In the coldest winter's night, when the frost paints white the scene, in the furnace of desire, when the scorched grass turns to green, did I see or did I dream when I knew you'd gone away? And I could not write a letter long. You can't speak what love must say. Was it real or did I dream? 100 miles up in the sky, the earth and sun between, deep in the caverns of the earth, where the daylight's never seen. Did I see or did I dream when you went away with him? And I can't wait till you come back. Time will drag and my eyes go dim. I can't stop my traveling from the apple of my youth, when it's ripe and on the tree, to the rotten core of age, when the reaper comes for me. One day I climbed a high lonesome hill, looked all around, looked where I will. I saw the sea so blue and far away, and I saw a field where the children played, beneath the gathering clouds of black and grey. And in the west a flock of sheep and goats, and on the sea a fleet of fishing boats. And overhead the warplanes filled the sky, and on the ground the rockets set to fly. Well, I saw a field where the children played, beneath the gathering clouds of black and grey. One day I'll climb the hill and see the smoking mist surrounding me, fall on my knees and then I'll pray for a graveyard where no children play, beneath the gathering clouds of black and grey. Well, I saw a field where the children played, beneath the gathering clouds of black and grey. Clouds always come to fill the sky, as babes upon the old men die. For peace and life I think we yearn, but man will war, he'll never learn. Well, I saw a field where the children played, beneath the gathering clouds of black and grey. I hope I'll see the sun before my life on earth is done. I'll climb again the hill someday and see the little children play beneath the gathering clouds of black and grey. Well, I saw a field where the children played beneath the gathering clouds of black and grey.